In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone not ringing on incoming calls. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. There can be a lot of different solutions for that problem, and the first one is to check if silent mode enabled on your device, so just turn off your silent mode if it's enabled and then make sure that volume level on your device is high. If it doesn't help, the next thing that you may try is to swipe down from the top right corner and here toggle off Do Not Disturb mode. That icon is highlighted and it means that Do Not Disturb is for now enabled on my device, so just hit there once to turn it off. If it doesn't help, you may try the next solution, and to do that just open up your settings, then tap on Bluetooth, and here among your Bluetooth devices check if some of devices like headphones is connected to Bluetooth right now. If your headphones are now connected to your device, you wouldn't be able to hear ringtone sound while phone is ringing because the sound would be in your headphones. So you can just disconnect that device, or you can just toggle your Bluetooth off. And if it doesn't help, you may try the next thing. You can move on to settings, then tap on General, scroll down to the very bottom and here tap on Transfer or Reset Phone. Then tap on Reset and from here tap on Reset All Settings. It will reset all settings on your device to factory defaults because here can be some bugs or glitches and it may remove that problem. Also, you can do the following. You can tap at the volume up button, then volume down button, then hold down power button to come up this screen, and then move this slider right here to toggle your device off, then wait up to maybe 13 seconds and then hold down power up button until Apple logo comes up and then wait until your device is turned on. It means that you make soft reset of your device, and in some cases it also may remove any bugs or any glitches with your device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.